All India Trinamool Congress Aitc State President Charles Pyngrope categorically stated that there will be no chief ministerial candidate, even as he maintained that it is up to the state leaders to decide on a CM's face. He said this while commenting to a query that Mukul Sangma's name as the chief ministerial candidate surfaced at a TMC meeting in Tura. Reiterating that the party in the state will not be interfered by outsiders, Pyngrope stated that local leaders will run the party in the state and it will be up to the state party to decide a chief minister candidate. Regarding the MLAs joining TMC, Pyngrope said that the door is always open for the MLAs, MDCs to join the party. Pyngrope also informed that the list of the candidates will be declared before Christmas.
He had mentioned that the son of the soil, we are all sons of the soil, but he did not mention any name. It was misinterpreted by the press. Because I was sitting next to Mr. Abhishek Banerjee, our National General Secretary, and he never mentioned that there will be any chief ministerial candidate. But if the party feels that they should have a face before the elections as chief minister candidate, it can be the call of the party, and none of us have any objections to